looking at you, making your moves. There is no silence.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to be talking you through the eyeshadow part of this video. So I'm going to just prime my face with the Magic Cream, Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, which is a moisturizer and a makeup primer in one. And then I'm also going to be using her Magic Eye Rescue eye cream underneath my eye as a primer for my concealer and to keep underneath my eyes hydrated from all the powders and concealers that we're going to be using in this video. So I'm going to take this Makeup Forever single eyeshadow. It's in the number 738. Also, guys, I am linking all of the products. Not linking, but I am putting them in the video. So if you need to rewind or you couldn't hear what I said, you can just rewind and see the product name, the color, the shade, the style in the bottom left corner of the video. I'm going to just be taking this as a transitional color. I love to do a warm. The transition colors really help when you're doing eyeshadow, especially if you're a beginner, because the color will just transition into the other colors, so it goes like a smooth, seamless application. Also, it kind of helps you figure out what color to use next. So a transition color is always key for me, and I'm always applying my color inside of my crease. I use my brush with a very light hand. Always get comfortable. Make sure your hand is rested when you're doing your eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the two brown shades. One is a lighter brown, one is a darker brown, and they both are like a cool gray undertone. This is going to be layered on top of that transition color, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease as well. We're doing a smoky eye. So whenever I do a smoky eye, I don't just go in with the black shadow. I always build, because when you build, you get better control. You also can see how dark you want it when you just build. And like I always say, eyeshadows are really just building, adding, taking away, adding, taking away, adding, taking away, adding, taking away, and blending. And I always use a light hand. You do not have to be super rough-handed and basically poke your eye out when you blend your eyeshadows. Always use a light hand and go back and forth motions when you're starting off with those colors in the crease. I'm going to take this brush. It's a flat E25 Sigma brush, and I'm just going to go in to just define it a little bit more. And don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like mine, because everybody's eye shape is different, and as you can see, the shadows will lay differently on everybody's eye shape. I'm just going to take it. This is the same two brown shades. I'm just building it so it's putting more depth inside of my eye. Oh, sorry, on my eye, not inside of my eye, but on my eye. And then I'm going to take the black Huda Beauty matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply that with this MERCIER flat brush. And this one's smaller and a pointed tip, so it gives me control and it's able to fit in my eye shape. Also, remember to get brushes that are beneficial to your eye shape as well. And I'm going to apply this black matte eyeshadow in each corner of the eye, kind of basically like the halo method. And I'm going to pat and kind of move the brush. So pat and, I want to say smear, but basically just pat and glide your brush. And I'm going to do the same thing for the outer part of the eye as well. And don't worry if your shadows are not neat. It's makeup, it's art, it can be cleaned up, so don't worry about that. And I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to basically diffuse that out. I'm not going to say buff because we're diffusing it. We're using a very light hand, as I always say. We're going in small circular motions going upwards. And then also, I'm also going to do a stamping move motion. So basically, I'll take my brush, press it towards my eye, and I kind of just stamp it and just kind of flick it over. Stamp, flick it over, stamp, flick it over. To just diffuse the shadows how I want it. And I also decided to keep the video at the normal pace, just so it can maybe be easier to try to get the hang of the eyeshadow. And take your time. Like, I literally take my time. Doesn't matter how long it takes you, just take your time. This is a glam eye look, so this isn't like a 5-minute eye look, which is coming up soon. So just take your time. Don't worry. Don't rush, because you don't want a black eye. You want a smoky eye, okay? And as you can see, just how the transition color just kind of just goes in. And what I like to do is like to kind of pick up my eye skin, because I have extra eye skin. That's okay. And I like to just pick up my eye, or kind of like to take it like a cat eye, just to make sure I get in there, because I do have extra eye skin. So if you have extra eye skin like me, this is a helpful trick. Next, I'm going to take this silver foil shade from the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to take the flip side of that Laura Mercier brush, and we're going to apply that right in the middle on the eyelid. It's like a sandwich, halo, whatever you want to call it, eye, and we're just going to basically press and swipe, press and swipe, press and swipe. But you're gonna, I shouldn't say swipe there, I want to say press and stamp, because I want you to swipe, you know, the shadow all the way to the damn left. Do that, eye look has been ruined. So press and stamp. We're gonna do that. Just press and stamp. And I'm just going in with that flat E25 brush and adding a little bit more. As I always say, eyeshadow is basically adding, taking away, adding, taking away for your liking. And because a little bit of that black just got faded out because of the silver eyeshadow. So you just kind of want to just keep a balance. And that is why it is so important to use little at a time, especially when you're dealing with black. Because black can go left real quick.
So sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there.
Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to let you enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to watch the video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I feel for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah. Nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there. Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it, out of control. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you, baby, make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby. I fell for you, you made it easy for me. Yeah, nothing that you. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Baby, you make me lose